This application is known as pre-coating boards for a later date. So what I have is a roll of mount adhesive on the top, and we're not going to run anything on the bottom because we're just going to coat the boards. So we don't need the print pulled down clamp because we're going to run a 3/16 inch board through there, and that would just get in our way. So the first thing I do is I take a leader board and I just press it or put it in between the rollers. And I'll run those rollers down until they touch, give it a little extra pressure. I go into reverse, push my foot pedal down, and back that board out. Now I have the proper gap and pressure setting. Put that back in forward, and then I'll bring my mount adhesive down and overlap the rollers a little bit, kind of tuck it in there a little. Then I'll take my board, I'll put it on there and tack that to that leading edge, and I'll push that in there, make sure it's kind of nice and straight. Go ahead and push the foot pedal. Once that's started, then I'll release the foot pedal and grab the board that I'm coating. Now if you're running multiple boards, you can just continue butting one board right up against the next one until you've finished your job. So I'll start that in with my foot pedal again. We'll get that going through. Once that's through, at this point I can go ahead and press the run button, release the foot pedal, and it will continue feeding through the machine. I'll go ahead and give it a little extra speed. At the end of your job, you'll take a trailing board and you'll put that up against the board, the last board that you're coating. Butt that right up there nice and tight. Once that's in the machine, then you can just go ahead and stop and you're ready to go.